What's up guys, Rand Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Moshi Vitros case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So I reviewed a number of clear cases over the years, and today we're going to check out what Moshi's answer to what a proper clear case should be with the Vitros case. So the Vitros case here comes in your traditional Moshi soy ink printed packaging. Slides easily out like so, and the first and only thing that we get is the Vitros case here, and that is pretty much it. So taking a closer look at the Vitros case, it is a TPU style case, hence why it's so flexible, which you can see here. Got a clear back and a bezel that actually has, in this case, a space gray metallic finish similar to what's on the iPhone to kind of mimic the look. So let's grab my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I usually go button side first as usual, and it slides easily into place. In regards to case removal, it's a very flexible case, so it does come off pretty easily, which you can see here. Alright, so taking a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer. Starting off with your front, you can see the bezel does lip all the way around the border of the iPhone and just a little bit above the glass display. I am sporting an edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector, which is actually Moshi's own ion glass, which you can see here works flawlessly with this case. Moving to the side of the case here, you can see the metallic space gray finish that I showed you guys earlier. We also have covers for the volume rockers, and you still get a nice clicky feeling to them when you press on the volume rockers. Small little cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch, and of course a cutout for the power button as well. On the bottom, you have 3 individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And finally, on the back of the case, it is a crystal clear back. You have a precision cutout for your triple lens camera and flash and secondary microphone. And of course, you can see the Apple logo straight through and the Moshi logo neatly printed on the bottom. And for those of you who are wondering about wireless charging, as you guys can see here, the iPhone has no problem charging with the case on. Overall guys, if you're in the market for a super slim TPU clear style case, this is pretty much as slim as you can get without sacrificing a whole lot of protection. It's definitely one of the more nicer looking clear cases just because you have that nice space gray metallic finish on the sides here that I think look a lot nicer than translucent TPU or whatever that material is that a lot of case companies use. One of the notorious things with clear cases, of course, is scratching, and according to Moshi here, they did apply a durable surface coating to resist scratches, and you can tell that there's some sort of coating on here by the very nice polished finish that it has, so it definitely will help resist scratches. If you want to preserve the crystal clear look a little bit longer, I recommend always placing your phone face or screen down and keeping the back upright. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the one thing I will mention is that because it has a slick, glossy, polished finish to it, which does help resist scratches, it also makes it a bit of a fingerprint magnet. The only other thing I can mention is that there's actually this really subtle dotted texture on the inside part of the clear case, and the purpose of that is to reduce any watermarking that could occur. You can only see it with the Apple logo as the matte finish hides it all, but if you guys do get this case, I would like to mention that so you're not surprised. Aside from that, for a slim TPU clear style case, it pretty much doesn't get any better than that for this style of case, and even Moshi claims here that even though it's a slim case, it somehow still gets military grade drop protection. In conclusion guys, if you are in the market for a clear, slim TPU style case that preserves the look of the iPhone and doesn't add a whole lot of bulk to it either, you definitely can't go wrong with the Moshi Vitros case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.